I'm bored. Hey, where are we? I don't know, there's just grass here. Handy, when are we gonna play some games? I don't know, probably like in 3 minutes. Aw, man. I should kill these people. Oh, I can't move. Don't worry, just,
Hey, can I get 7 pools?
Why do you need so many?
Because I want to.
Hello, guys.
Ah!
Guys, I found a paper.
Wow.
Cool. Let's find the location. Oh, there he is. Okay. Oh, hello, guys. Hello, can we join your show? Okay, 12, spin the wheel. Why do we need the wheel to pick? Because why not? Anyways, the price is $10 million. Cool. Looks like it's a yes. Okay, everyone, make teams. 2 teams of 5. Okay, who do I pick? All our foods. Come here to the team, I guess.
Okay.
7, 8, 9. Wait, where's the 10th one? Where's Machine Gun? Hello. Never mind, he's here. Yeah, I'm joining. We should name our team.
What should we name it?
Foodest. What should we name them? I don't know. Wait, you guys already made the team names?
Yeah?
Anyways, now that the teams are done, we can start battle for $10 million. The first challenge is climb up a large mountain, and every team member has to get on top. And yes, it's 1 kilometer tall.
Team, let's climb.
Yeah. Can I even climb with only legs? No.
ICS, you also don't have arms.
Okay guys, let's carry Globe and ICS up the mountain. Okay. We all have arms except bed. How do I get up? Well, I'm gonna get myself up. How are you even gonna get yourself up? Hey! Ben, how do you even do that? By moving. Okay, Foodest won this contest. Yeah! Shut up. Vote in the comments in square brackets to choose who you want to be eliminated. Well, at least we won.
Yeah.
Yay.